Welcome back to Sketching with Miss Lulu. Today we have a very special guest in the studio. We're going to draw something soft, fluffy, and a little dramatic. Ta-da! There she is. She's a cockatiel and clearly very serious about her snacks. Are you ready to model for us, or are you just here for the food? Can you sit still for us?
No promises.
Okay, we will try our best. Let's draw our feathered friend together. Before we begin, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more kids learn art and grow their creativity. Okay, artists, let's start with a circle for the head. Now draw a large oval underneath the head for the body. Draw a large circle inside the head. This cockatiel has a big expressive eye. Inside the circle, add a smaller circle for the pupil. Now let's draw the beak. Start with a curved triangle shape coming out from the front of the head. Now add the bottom beak underneath. Add the nostril. Cockatiels have beautiful head feathers. Draw a few curved lines coming out from the top and back to the head. Let them curve gently like soft ribbons. Now draw a circle on the side of the face for that cute orange cheek patch. Let's add a wing on the side of the body and draw a long, slightly curved line coming down from the back of the body for the tail feathers. Draw a small part of the wing for the other side. Now let's work on her cute little tummy. Now let's give our bird some legs and feet. Draw two curved lines on the bottom of the tummy for the legs. Add two skinny legs underneath. At the bottom, add two toes in front and two in the back. We will work the same way for the other feet and add lines for the claws. Take your time here. Bird feet can be tricky, and that's okay. This is the time for the details. We can connect the head to the body with two curved lines for the neck. You can darken all the lines and clean up your sketch. The wing and tail definitely need some details. You can add some wavy lines on them. Now it's time to bring our cockatiel to life with color. I use light yellow for the main body and brighter yellow for the crest feathers and the wing. For the eye, color the pupil black or brown and leave a tiny white spot for shine. For the feet, use a soft gray. Color lightly so they don't look too heavy. And don't forget to add a few gentle texture lines on the wings and the body to show soft feathers. Now color the cheek patch a bright orange. This makes her face pop and gives her that classic cockatiel look. Now you can trace everything with a black marker if you'd like. I like to outline at the end so my colors don't smudge. Take your time and color in one direction. Smooth coloring makes your artwork look extra neat and professional. Now that your cockatiel is finished, let's give it a home. You can draw a tree branch, the sky, leaves, or even a birdhouse. I added a little birdhouse as a reference, but you can design your own. Make it colorful and creative. If you enjoyed sketching with me today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to learn art in person, check the link in the description to learn more about our homeschool art classes at Artsy Hearts Studio. I can't wait to see your beautiful cockatiels. Keep creating, and I'll see you next time.